Today I will explain you what is my mission of life. We see the lopsided growth in the world in terms of high profile people and high profile products. The whole of the humanity loves this. The latest craze is the electric SUVs. Yes, sure, why not? But the point is, are we taking care of the better side of all these things? The worst thing which comes from the moneyed people is breaking the houses, newly built houses, not once built, but once built, then second time again built by breaking the most beautiful constructions with all accessories and all expensive materials. Why this is happening? They want to hide their black money in the construction process. Why shouldn't action be taken against these demolitions and reconstructions? Why? Why the authorities are silent on this? Why the authorities permit these things? Because everything is set with money. Now, if you look around in the societies of rich, people are breaking the houses and making four-storied constructions, including the basement. Why we are allowing these things? First of all, we let them earn black money through corrupt practices, and then we again let them hide their money with these big constructions, and their children, they become the addict of drugs, wine, prostitutes, parties late night. It's a complete vicious circle which is going on in the high society. Now, the Bollywood is out. We value the stars so much. But what are they? What are they made of? Why we are letting them enjoy the adulation which they do not deserve? Why can't they become the people like us? They are, but we people make them different. Superstar status we give them. We give them, we feel that they have come out of the moon or some other planet. But what they are doing in the society, they are luring the woman to act in the films by making them sleep with them. and then not offering what they promise. All kind of shit practices are taken place in this world, and no one minds it. Lot of exposures are taking place from the Bollywood industry, but they will all see the dust. They will all be hided by the lawyers. Look at the lawyers. What are they doing? They are saving the skins of these stars, and those who are exposing them, they are put under the scanner. Do you see what is happening? And none of you speak against these people. Those who speak, they are terrorized, they are killed. Similarly, if you look at the intellectual world of speakers in the five-star hotels, this is rampant. The hosts, they are hosting the parties and promote their ideologies. Now, these are not business people, they are not Bollywood people, but they are the intellectuals. Where are they getting the money from? Who's giving them this money? Why this is not questioned? Why the raids are not taking place in their houses? Another thing is, if you look at the family people, family life, lot of filth is taking place in the name of marriage. All are suffering in the guise of this married life. Whosoever is weak doesn't speak the mind, doesn't speak out. What happens? जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस is what's going on in the society. So we need to really change our mindsets. Towards those whom we have made big. Whether it's government people, glamour world, intellectual world, and high profile families. They are making bucks at the cost of the common people who are working hard, paying tax, who are listening to them, who are paying attention to them, who are working for their names, who are working for their money, who are working for their status. But what they are getting in return? A complete sideline attitude. They are thrown out wherever they go. If you look at the religious places, particularly the Hindu people, it is a very, very shabby scene. But the temples will be constructed because the government is looking at the vote bank. These temples are another big corruption centers. Lot of money and food stuff is going there free of cost, and the people over there, they are eating away, throwing away, wasting, because it is much more than what anyone can consume or utilize. But those who need, they are nowhere. Nothing is given to them. Nothing goes to them. Rather, they go and give while they have such low income at their command. I am extremely shocked and extremely sad to see this world going in this particular manner. You have professional children. You made them competent to earn big money. But they have no respect for the parents. They walk out on them as if parents are nothing. For the love they seek, for the sex they seek in each other. So no sanskar is left in anybody's mind. All are only running for money and fame, big things, big following, big comforts. And others are just making their life worth living with lot of hardships. I am a researcher, I am a investigator, I'm an interviewer, I to talk to all the people at a smaller level, at a higher level. But I have given so much of my work, but of no use. Where you take your work to for find solution, to give solution? Media does not understand these things. They are all after commercial gains. They will not listen to the good things of life. So basically, there is no place for anything which is said good or which is done good or which is implemented good. And it's a very, very painful state of affairs for those who are involved to make things good. So I will be really happy if this video reaches out to those who are blind to such videos and they appreciate and they actually start thinking and working on good lines.